In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to have a direct conversation with it directly using the voice mode feature. So now I'm logged into my ChatGPT and I'm using the ChatGPT 5.1, which is the latest version. And I want to enable the voice mode. And you can see it over here. Use voice mode directly. So I can just click and this is going to start talking. Hello, good evening to you.
Hello there. Good evening to you too.
My name is Dr. A.S. Abdurrashid, and I'm Civil Engineering Department here in Ahmadu Bello University's area. Do you know Ahmadu Bello University's area?
Absolutely, I do. Ahmadu Bello University Zaria is quite a well-known institution in Nigeria. It's got a big reputation, especially in fields like engineering and technology. So it's great to meet you, Dr. Abdul Rashid.
Nice to meet you too, and I'm glad that you know quite a bit about my university. So, what can you tell me historically about the university? Who founded it?
Sure. So Ahmadu Bello University, or ABU, was founded back in 1962. It was named after Sir Ahmadu Bello, who was the Sardana of Sokoto and a prominent northern Nigerian leader. The university was actually established as part of Nigeria's push to expand higher education right after independence. Over the years, it's grown into one of the largest and most respected universities in Nigeria, especially in fields like yours, civil engineering included.
Well, thank you so much for these wonderful inputs. Assuming I have some students here with me and they want to get to know how you manipulate or come up with answers so quickly, what can you tell them about the power of AI?
So, in simple terms, the reason I can come up with answers quickly is because I've been trained on a huge amount of information using AI. Basically, I've learned from tons of text, books, articles, and so on, and that helps me recognize patterns and give you answers pretty quickly. So, it's just the power of AI and a lot of training behind the scenes.
Well, thank you very much for these wonderful conversations. I've learned quite a lot of things from you, and sincerely, I appreciate your presence and your answers to my questions. Thank you, and I'll see you another time.
You're very welcome. I'm really glad I could help out and yeah with you. Thanks for the kind words, and whenever you want to talk again, just drop by. Have a great evening.
So that's a wonderful conversations that I just had with this AI. And you can see the best part of it is that you have the recordings of my conversations with it right from the beginning, and even some text about my prompts and what it responded and so on. So you can always refer back and play the audio and then probably see the text written content behind what we have just talked about. So you can have a replay of it. And if you're interested, you can copy the text and share as well. So this concludes this simple tutorial on a major update in ChatGPT 5.1, which is the use of the voice mode. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.